Hi guys! Today I'm going to unbox a toy that I bought from Aliexpress. So it's like that. It is a little dog house and it is to put coin in it if you want to save little coins, and it's fun. There is a little dog, so I'm going to we need the 3 batteries of AA to make it work. So now we will open behind to put the batteries, and we have to use this thing to open behind. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.